happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit Day number 286. I've been talking about this all week. We've got coming up in like 2 weeks. Today is number 300, unless I miss an episode here and there. But 2 weeks today technically should be the 300th episode of Spirit of the Day. Now, I've stopped doing big tastings because I feel like Spirit of the Day is much more what you guys want. And I think Spirit of the Day just showcases individual spirits way better than me doing big tastings once a week. Is it a hell of a lot of work? Hells to the yes. But what I want you to do is comment below and let me know what you want me to have as the 300th spirit for this showing. So if it's something that I've never tasted, something that you really want me to taste, send it over. But today, number 286, the Pickled Vodka from Taynton Bay. Now, I've done garlic vodka from Wayward, crazy flavor profiles. Taynton Bay does a really fantastic little flavored number, 40% alcohol. Now, I'm just going to preface this again with a lot of other things that I've tasted. I'm not a massive fan of pickles. Like, I like pickles, but I have to be in a mood for pickles. Oh. Oh, yes. Getting this sort of like bread and butter pickle on the nose really, really nicely. Little dill. Sophie's Pickled Vodka. Let's go to the ingredients. Vodka, water, vinegar, salt, cucumbers, pickling spice. Nice. That's where it's coming from. The little black pepper. Fantastic. Dill, garlic, turmeric. As you do. Let's not just put like soak pickles in vodka. Let's take all the ingredients from pickles and put it into the vodka. I just really like it. It's like bread and butter pickles, which I really, really love bread and butter pickles. I miss my Cubanos. Bread and butter pickles are my Cubanos. I just miss it so much. I can't have them anymore because of my allergies now. Woo! Wow. As soon as that hits your tongue, it is salty in a great way. It is pickly. It's just not pickle flavored vodka. It is pickles and vodka. If you had picklebacks, or you were eating pickles with a little of that juice and then shooting vodka, this is exactly what it'd be like. It's sweet, it's salty, it is beautifully aromatic. Texturally, it is a beast of a texture. It really does taste like pickle juice with vodka. I'm really digging this. I'm pouring myself just a smidge more to have because that sort of shook me a little bit. My palate was like, not yet, Sewell. Wow. Herbal, textural. There's sweet and sour elements in there as well. Sweet and salty. This is really tasty. What I would be using this in would be definitely a red snapper. I don't love Caesars. I think Caesars are a little bit too thick. Bloody Marys as well. I love my red snappers. I love it shaken, strained, spirit forward with a hint of tomato juice and a hint of clamato. I really love this. This will be fantastic. And for the price point, these guys aren't overly expensive. They're really a relatively good thing. So if you're at a brunch place, if you aren't using this, you really are missing out. So Taynton Bay's Pickled Vodka. Thanks as always, guys. Comment below. What's my number 300 spirit? See you guys tomorrow. Bye.